ganache that we're going to use to put a little nugget of chocolate and coffee inside the mochi cake. It has to firm up for about an hour, and then you scoop it and put it in the center of the mochi cake and seal it up, press it real firm. It's going to be really soft and sticky, but that's how a mochi cake is. It's supposed to be sticky and soft. It's very chewy and sweet. Not extremely sweet, but it is sweet. So I hope y'all enjoy. We're finishing up the mochi cakes. We're going to put a little bit of the ganache in the center of the mochi cake itself. And then all you do is pull up the sides, crimp them together. You want to get everything nice and tight. Kind of like that. Keep your fingers really floured. And then there you go. There's a little mochi cake. They're super delicious. Japanese don't eat desserts that are extremely sweet. At least the old-fashioned Japanese didn't. So these are not extremely sweet, but they are very good. And we'll just make a few more here. Okay. Flour my fingers up. Bring it up. Just pinch it together. And pinch up the other side. Okay, flip it over. And you've got your mochi cake. There we go. Now I'll just finish the rest of these so that my family will be able to enjoy them. Okay, this is the type of rice flour that I use. It's called Mochiko, and it's very good. I got it through Amazon, 3-pack for less than $15. So that's not bad. And it's a very nice sweet rice cake. You want to get one that is a first crop. You don't want one that's been sitting around on the shelf forever. So,
well, this looks really great, Mom. I can't wait to try it.